I've launched Microsoft Edge and I've gone to this website, which you can see is at www.pythonbitesize.com. And I wish to create a QR code that can be scanned by a phone, which will then take you straight to this website. I've placed the cursor here within the Microsoft Edge browser, and it's a case now of right-clicking on the mouse and this context menu will appear. You then choose this, Create QR Code for this page. Select it by clicking on the left mouse button and you can see that the code appears here. Essentially, this is telling us we have a QR code that we can scan. This is the code and this is the URL that the code will take you to when you scan it with one of your phone apps. You can click here to download the QR code and it will download as a file, and then you can locate that file. It'll be in your download directory, or you can click here onto copy and it'll copy the code, and then you'll be able to paste the code into an app of your choice. I'll show the copying of it and the pasting of it into a Word document. So it is a case of clicking onto copy and moving over to Word. You can now paste the QR code at any position within the document you so wish. You can see I've got the cursor flashing in this position. If you now hit Ctrl V on the keyboard, you will see that the QR code will be pasted into Word, as you can see has just happened.